Hello, I'm Catherine Minett, Sales Success Coach at Minett Sales Academy. Now, if you've been avoiding doing sales calls or speaking with prospects or even following up on the leads that you've got, and this has been going on for 4 weeks or longer, then it's likely that you've fallen into the spiral of procrastination and avoidance. And it's a scary place to be. I know, because I've been there. I'm guessing that you've been doing at least one of the following 3 things. Number 1, you're avoiding picking up the phone because you don't want to come across as being pushy or desperate. 2, you've convinced yourself that there are other important tasks that need to be doing right now, like cleaning the house, fixing up your website, or scrolling social media for new ideas. And number 3, you're putting your energy into your marketing because you feel safer behind the computer rather than face-to-face connecting with your prospects. Am I close? Are you doing at least one of these things? If you are, then you're not alone. If you're in the spiral of procrastination and avoidance, which is a very common place for sales-phobic entrepreneurs and business owners to find themselves, it can be very hard to get out of this spiral without some form of guidance and support. But rest assured, it can be done. The first step is awareness that you're actually in it. And if you're still reading now, then it's possible that you are there right now. So keep reading. And the second step is understanding what caused you to be in it. And that can be different for different people. And the most common is the fear of judgment. Is this you? Are you worried about what others are going to think about you? What they're going to say about your presentation, about your product, and how you present it? You might say things to yourself like, what will they think of me? Or I don't want to look stupid. If you want to start working on busting those fears now, then why not download a copy of my free worksheet at the link below, minettsalesacademy.com/fear-busting techniques. The third step requires a choice. You can either choose fear and inaction, or you can choose courageous action. When you choose fear and inaction, your world gets smaller and smaller as you slide down that spiral of procrastination and avoidance. You stop making calls, you stop following up, you stop putting yourself out there to the world. And as a result, your sales start getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And it just keeps getting worse and worse. Alternatively, when you choose courageous action, your thinking changes, which means your behavior changes. And all of a sudden, opportunities and ideas start coming to you. You start to learn from your experience, which means you start gaining more and more confidence. You'll find it easier to pick up the phone to talk to people, which means that your world and your sales are going to get bigger and bigger. So if procrastination is the reason why you're not getting your sales, then maybe it's time for you to start taking some courageous action. If you're ready and you want to learn more, then follow me or subscribe and put a comment in the comment box below. And also don't forget to download your fear busting techniques worksheet at the link below. Thank you for watching.